I'm going to be showing you how to make a health bar inside of Roblox Studio. So basically, I just did this thing right here. Red in the middle, green on top, and then black on the bottom. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're going to insert a script inside of the green bar, or the one on top, the one that you want to move. What you're going to do is you're going to get the frame, which is the UI that GUI that you want to move. So frame is equal to script dot parent, and then you're going to get the player, and you're going to get the character, and then the humanoid. And the humanoid contains the health property, so we can base it off of the health property. So local player is equal to game dot players dot local player. Local player is basically just the client, like, so this is on a local script. It only runs on the client, which is the player. So we're basically just getting the player from here. So now we're going to get the character. So character is equal to player dot character. Character is a property of any player. So if you were to go into players, that's right here, and go to a player, you could look to see that there is an instance value named player, or a character. So now we're gonna get the humanoid. So humanoid is equal to character dot, we're gonna wait for child because this script might run before it runs. So now we're going to do, after that, we're going to make a function to see when the health property changes. So we'll do humanoid get property changed signal, and then do health, and we're going to connect to the function like this and there. So now we're going to tween the frame to move to whatever percent that your health is at. So basically we're going to do frame tween position. So tweening is basically just slowly moving something over time. So it's a smooth transition to something. And we're just going to tween we're going to tween the size like that. So we're going to use a unim2 value, which is basically just this value right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do humanoid dot health divided by 100, which will make this a decimal. So if the health is at 100%, then the health will then be at 1%, or the health will then be at 1. You can see that the frame right now is at 1, and it's all the way at the top. So if it were to be at 50, then it'll be to 0.50 after. And if I change it to 0.5, or it actually is 0.5, not 0.50, then it'll be halfway. Make sure you have to use scale while doing this. You cannot use offset. And then you're going to do your other values like this. Basically just going to do the 1. So it goes to the top right here. And then I made a block. If you want to test it out with this block, here's the script. It just takes away the 5 of the humanoid health. It should work. Yep, there you go. Right there. There are little bugs. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, I guess. And I will see you in the next video. Like if you want to see some more Roblox scripting tutorials. Bye.